how to have a fresh start in life. Hello friends, this is Yundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that we are capable of starting fresh in our life. Starting fresh in our life is a must to do sometimes in order for us to live our best life. Find a purpose and decide on your personal values. That's one thing you can start fresh. Set goals and make plans to achieve them. And surround yourself with people who support your vision and dreams. Try new things whenever you have the opportunity. Relocate if you think it will help your situation. Expect setbacks, but celebrate the progress. This is very important that we know how to accept and embrace the setbacks and at the same time celebrate the small progresses we experience in our life journey. How do I start fresh in my life? Probably you are asking this with yourself. Reflect on your past experiences. That is one thing you can do. Practice mindfulness. Many times I've been sharing with you meditation is a must to do. Practice mindfulness. Identify your goals. When we are identifying our goals, it is very important that we practice journaling as well. The more you journal, the more you write on with your goals, the more it becomes easier for you to identify your goals. Determine what's working and what needs to change in your life. And that is also very important. We have to start fresh, so we must learn to determine what's working or what is not working and what needs to change in our day-to-day life. And don't be afraid to start trying something new. That is very important. I know it's not easy, but to start fresh, be courageous to try something new in your life. Reach out for a life coach. It is very important that you have guidance, a coach, but for me, a prayer, leaning on God and leaning on the Holy Spirit to guide me really helps me to have a guidance in my life. That is the best coach you can have when you can rely on Jesus through your prayers, through your meditations, asking Him to guide you and lead you every day. We are capable of starting fresh in life. Stop fearing failure. Failure is a part of our life journey, so you don't need to fear with that. One of the biggest hurdles we face when considering making a big change is the fear of failure that you have to take away. Don't be afraid of the failure. Take a big risk for your life. Create an action plan and commit to self-care. This is really very important. To commit into self-care for your own good is very important. How can you function for starting fresh if you are not taking care of yourself? Yes, self-care is a must to do for yourself. Make learning a lifelong habit. Learning is a day-to-day action. It's a day-to-day practice. When you read and read a lot, you learn a lot. Start there. Love reading. You learn a lot from reading. Declutter and organize your living space. This is also very good, which I am not good at, but it is very important that you know how to declutter and organize your living space so you have an organized mind as well. Make peace with the past. Hatred cannot move you forward. Therefore, when you have anger and hatred, make peace with that. Make peace with the past so you can move on, so you can start fresh. Let it go of things. Try to work on with your life, to let go of things when you really want to start a fresh life. I know it's not easy, but believe me, to start fresh in life, we have to manage our life situation, our life decision, our life actions. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. I love you all and bye-bye.